How to draw Rubble, step by step. Let's start off by making one small circle along with a slanted line right above. Nice! Now on the left side of that slanted line that we just made, we're going to make an upside down L-like shape. Now moving to the right, we're going to add two curved lines right under the first circle that we made. Great start. Now let's go ahead and connect that upside down L-like shape to those two curved lines that we just made. Now at the top of the head, we're going to make one long C-like shape. This will be the beginning for Rubble's hat. Now we're not going to finish the hat just yet. We'll come back to that a little bit later. Right now let's move to the right side of the head and let's begin to make the first ear of Rubble. Great job so far. Now let's connect the bottom of the face to the ear that we just made. Now that we have that step completed, let's go back to the hat that we previously started making and let's finish it right now. All done making the hat? Fantastic. Now let's move right below the head that we just made and let's begin to make the collar. Now right below, we're going to begin to make the first leg as well as paw. Let's make one curved line. This will connect the collar to the leg that we just made. Now let's go ahead and make all of the legs for Rubble. Great job so far learning how to draw hub crew. Now let's go ahead and make one curved line on each foot that we just made. This will help separate the colors. Now let's go ahead and add some detail to the vest. All done adding the details to the vest? Great, now let's move to the right side of the body and let's begin to make the backpack for Rubble. All done making the backpack? Great, now let's move into the face. We're going to start off by making one tooth, as well as two eyes. Now above each eye that we just made, we're going to add one eyebrow, as well as make one line for the separation of colors. Now last but not least, we're going to add the Paw Patrol logo on the hat of Rubble. Great job today to learn how to draw Hub Crew. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and color in our Paw Patrol character together.